Okay, day 4, area and perimeter on the coordinate plane. So this is going to be quite a bit of review. We're just looking at it in a different light because our figure is on the coordinate plane. So perimeter or circumference is the distance around the edge of a shape. So the perimeter would be me adding up all of the sides. Or for a circle, all the way around a circle. So if I looked at this shape, this is a parallelogram, so the perimeter would be me adding up all the sides. This side would be 15, this side would be 8, so it'd be 15 plus 15 plus 8 plus 8, so 46. Or you could do 2 times 15 plus 2 times 8. Area. Area is the flat area taken up by a two-dimensional shape. Use the area formula for whichever shape is shown. So it's all inside this shape. So for a triangle, the area is 1/2 base times height. So I know that this is the base and this is the height because it's creating this right angle here. That is pretty important. So 1/2, 4 times 3, which is 6. Units squared. So it's inches, so it would be inches squared. Remember the area of a circle is pi r squared. A rectangle and parallelogram is base times height. So if I look at my first shape here, find the area of triangle ABC. So first I need to graph it, and then I'll need to find the length of each side, and then find area and perimeter. So let's graph these points. -4, 3. So starting my origin, left 4, up 3. And label it A. B is -4, -1. So that would be nice to find the length of because it is on perfect crosshairs and it's vertical. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The length there is 4. C is 3, 3. So right 3, up 3. And again, that's a good length to find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now BC, I'll have to use my distance formula. So AB was 4. BC I'm going to find. CA was 7. So for BC, I need to find the distance. So what did I went to the right. So my change in x's went to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I rose 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course you could use your entire slope formula. So I could have done 3 plus 4 squared plus 3 plus 4, so 3 plus 1 squared. I could have done that, but I could just make it a little bit easier and look at the graph. So this is 49 plus 16, so square root of 65. And I'm going to round in there as tenths, so 8.1. So perimeter is me adding those all up together. So 4 plus 8.1 plus 7 is 19.1. And area is 1/2 base times height. So I have to look for the right angle. So here's our right angle. So 7 times 4. So we should get 14. Number 2, find the area and perimeter of triangle XYZ. So graphing these points, we have 4, 2. So right 4, up 2. There's x. -2, 2. There's y. And z, 0, -4. X, Y, Z. Okay. So x, y is an easy one. Length of 6. Now, I'm going to use my distance formula to find these other two lengths. So xy is 6. YZ. Do that one first. So I went to the right 2 and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6 squared. So that's 4 plus 36, the square root of 40. Square root of 40 is 6.3. XZ, square root of, so I'm going to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, square, and then down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, still 6. Because I went left and down, I did them both negative. I could have gone from Z to X, and they'd both have been positive. Either way, we're squaring it, so it does not matter. So this is 16 plus 36, square root of 52 is 7.2. Now perimeter is me adding all 3 of these up, so we get 19.5. Area is 1/2 base times height. Well, we don't really have a right angle, so we could create one in the middle here. Here is our height. Our height is 6. So we just created that right angle. And it doesn't have to be on the axis, it just has to go from a point. So height is 6, base is 6. So 1/2, 6 times 6, so 18 units squared. A couple more here. Find the area and perimeter of rectangle ABCD. So A is negative 2, 4. Left 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 2, 2. C is negative 1, negative 4. And D is negative 5, negative 2. So because they're telling me that this is a rectangle, I only really have to find 2 of the side lengths. Because if I find the length of AB, I know that's the same length for DC. And when I find BC, I know that's the same length for AD. So let's begin. AB. AB, I'm going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 2. So that's 16 plus 4, square root of 20. Square root of 20 is 4.5. So AB is 4.5. That means DC is 4.5. So BC and AD, let's find that length. So I'm going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, nope, 1, 2, 3, and up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 plus 36, 45. Square root of 45 is 6.7. So both of these are 6.7. Pardon me. Okay. So now the perimeter is me adding these up. I'm getting 22.4. And then area is length times width, so 4.5 times 6.7. So 30.15, or you could write 30.2. Next one we have is a circle. Find the area and circumference of the circle shown. What's our radius? So we put a point in the middle here. Our radius is 2 out to each direction. So radius is 2. Remember, circumference is 2 pi r. Area is pi r squared. So for circumference, 2 pi times 2. 12.6. And for area, pi 2 squared. Well, 2 squared is 4, and we already had 2 times 2 here, so it should be the exact same thing. Yep, 12.6. So just so happens area and circumference are the same. That does not happen often. And last one is the area of this hexagon. I encourage you to pause and try this one on your own. So I always like to start with the flat sides and go ahead and just count those first and get those out of the way. So for FE is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. AF, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have to wait on that one, wait on that one, wait on that one. BC is 4. Now I can go ahead and find these other 3 sides using the distance formula. So either I can go ahead and do the long way and find each ordered pair. So okay, that's -3, 2, and find BC's and then use the distance formula. Or I can go and do AB, and I can find the change in x's and change in y's and make it a little bit faster for myself. That's the method I'm going to take. So right 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 squared is 1, 4 squared is 16, so this is square root of 17, which is 4.1. So AB is 4.1, BC is 4, CD we're going to find, DE we're going to find, EF is 7, FA is 7. So let's find CD. So we're going squared plus something squared to the right 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. So 9 plus 25, square root of 34, 5.8. And lastly, DE. So we're going right 1, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 plus 36 is square root of 37, which is 6.1. Finding the perimeter, adding all of those up, 4.1 plus 4 plus 5.8 plus 6.1 plus 7 plus 7. So I got my perimeter of 34. Remember, if we had a parallelogram, it should still be base times height, but if we cannot find if we can't find the sides, we have to find the height, kind of like we did with our triangle here. We'd have to find the height within the figure.